In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix desktop icon not showing or not showing properly on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you're using Windows 10 and Windows 11 and your Windows icon are not showing at all or they're not showing properly, they're just scattering, and you're trying to use the right click on the page, sort maybe by name or by size or modify, and this is still not working, then here I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how you can easily fix your Windows icon not showing or not working properly. So the first thing to do is go ahead and click on the Windows R button to open the run command, just like this. So once the run command comes up, type app data, type app data, click on OK. Then once you hit the OK button, this is going to take you to your Windows app data. On the app data page, click on local. Then while on the local page, click on this view button and show hidden files. So if you're using Windows 11, scroll down and click on show. Then tap hidden items. So this is going to show the hidden items in your local. So show hidden items. Then once hidden items are shown, scroll down and locate the icon cache, right click on it like this, then click on show more option and make sure this is deleted. Delete it. Then once that is deleted, close the app data local page. Then come to your taskbar, right click on the taskbar, select task manager. Then under task manager, you want to locate the Windows Explorer. This, click on that. And then tap restart on the Windows Explorer. Then after this, the Windows icon should be working properly. So this is tested and confirmed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So this is how you can easily fix desktop icon not showing properly or not working properly on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Please, if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.